Hey there! Today we are going to talk about creating a killer scalping strategy using 3 free indicators on TradingView. This strategy can help you make steady profits across various markets. Are you excited? Let's jump right into the indicator section and add the wave trend oscillator indicator to make our strategy work like a charm. Traders, before we start, I really would appreciate it if you just like the video because by doing that, this video is going to be shown by YouTube algorithm to more traders and people like you who are keen to know all about this unknown creepy world of trading, especially about technical analysis. So, this indicator is going to be our main signal generator. Here's how it works. When the green line crosses above the zero line, it's a buy signal. And when it crosses below the zero line, you guessed it right, it's a sell signal. In our example, the WT indicator just gave us the sell signal with a downward cross, but after that, it gave a buy signal. Now, to use these signals effectively, we need to add some filters. Why? Well, sometimes, like in this example, it can give us the wrong sell signal when the market is going up. And in other situations during a sideways market, it can give us too many signals. That's where filters come in handy. So let's add the MACD indicator to our strategy. A quick pause here. If you don't know the whole concept and meaning of MACD and how does it work, I've got you covered. Make sure to check this video. The link is above here and down in the description, plus 3 more videos which I made previously also. These are updates to MACD, the better version of it, so you can use any of them. They're gonna work out just fine. And at this point, let's adjust the indicator settings. Thank you for following me up. So with the MACD, when you see green, it's a buy signal, and when it turns red, it's a sell signal. In our case, when we had a sell signal, but it was filtered out correctly because the MACD indicator didn't have a histogram color in our favor. Now, in the next example, we got another sell signal, but this time it was backed up by a red MACD histogram. The next indicator you want to use is called 10-in-1 different moving averages. After adding it to your chart, go ahead and tweak its settings just as you see in the video. Once again, thanks for doing that. This indicator helps eliminate fake signals. When the EMA 50 is above the SMA 100 and both are going up, it means the market is bullish. So focus on buy signals only. Conversely, if EMA 50 is below SMA 100 and they're both sloping down, it signals a bearish market. In that case, consider only sell signals. Here's how the entry rules go for long trades. First, wait for the green line to cross above the zero line. Next, make sure MACD histogram is green and above the zero line to back the previous rule up. In next step, EMA 50 should be higher than SMA 100 and both original moving averages should be sloping upwards. With all these conditions met, you're ready for a long trade. When setting your stop loss, you can either use EMA 50 or the recent swing low. And for your exit strategy, consider a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 as your primary trade target. But don't go anywhere because just before the end of the video, I have a secret weapon for you in my arsenal so it can be yours too, which you can push your profit factors to the limit and make way more money with that strategy and secret. Now let's talk about the entry criteria for a short trade. First, watch for when that green line crosses the zero line downward. Next, ensure that the MACD histogram is red and below the zero line. Verify that EMA 50 is trailing beneath SMA 100 and make sure both original moving averages are on a downward slope. Once these conditions are met, you're all set for a short trade. When setting your stop loss, you can rely on EMA 50 or stick with the recent swing high. And for your exit plan, think about targeting a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 as your primary trade goal. Before that, it really matters that which cryptocurrency exchange you're using. I highly recommend when you want to try any new trading strategy, you must backtest it, or if you don't like backtesting, you can just use demo trading, which is available on Bybit. Previously, I made a video about it, and I don't want to make it so long, so you can check it out and learn how to do it. But here's the kicker. I have a surprise for you. If you use my affiliate link down in the description, you have the chance winning up to $35,000 worth of USDT just by signing up, doing your KYC, and depositing at least 100 USDT and start trading on it. So what you waiting for? Maybe it's going to be your lucky day. And here's my surprise for you. Previously, I made almost an hour of video completely about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do, this is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it, you will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt. Also, if you want to increase your profit factor on the other side of the coin, beside the risk management, I highly recommend to watch this video of the mixture of Fibonacci retracement levels with supply and demand, or let's say price action, and you're going to find it crazy good with any trading strategy. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you're using, what is your indicator, what are you doing. This combination works out on any time frame, any trading strategy, and it's crazy good. I tried it out like thousands of times and it works out perfect. But if you're still not sure about making money from the market using this strategy, you should definitely check out this playlist here and you will find yours. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.